So for tonight, kasama ko po si Sir Wally from Light TV. At ang Light TV for tonight ay awarded ng Premier Business Outstanding Television and Radio Broadcasting Network. So Sir, congratulations po on behalf ng Light TV po. So Sir, alam ko medyo weird tong question ko, pero alam ko naman po na masaya kayo tonight. Pero gaano po kayo kasaya?
Actually, sobrang saya dahil una, nagpapasalamat kami for the organization for allowing us na ma-receive yung ganitong award. Dahil kami natutuwa kami dahil nabibigyan kami ng opportunity na ma-recognize na lahat ng industriya, especially ng mga iba't ibang klase ng tao dito sa Southeast Asian Premier Business and Achievers Award. So, sobrang saya. Siguro kung i-rate ko siya 10 out of 10. Yan, ganon.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Ayan po. So, sir, alam ko po na hindi naman po kasi ito yung first time na nakita ko na nagkaroon ng award si Light TV. So, pero syempre, sir, ano po ang pinagkaiba ng Southeast Asia Premier Business Achievers Award sa iba nating award-giving bodies?
Actually, we've been partnering with the organization and nakita namin talaga yung sincerity and genuinity ng organization, especially how they process the nomination. Kaya sabi ko, it's a big privilege na maging part ng awarding program na ito.
Ayan po. So, muli po, from Servicio Channel at The Visual Corporation, congratulations po sa Light TV. Thank you so much, sir.
Shout out kay Sir Nero.
Ayan po. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.